Looking for a simple way to boost your storage without fuss? This external hard drive offers a sleek, matte finish that resists smudges and fits discreetly wherever you need it. It's designed for plug-and-play use, so you can add extra space to your PC or gaming console in seconds. No software installation required. I've used this drive myself with an Xbox One X, and it's been flawless. The low-profile design means it doesn't clutter my setup, and the storage capacity matches exactly what's advertised. It connects easily through USB 3.0 or USB 2.0, and best of all, it doesn't need an external power cord, keeping things tidy and portable. For Mac users, a quick reformatting is necessary for compatibility with OS X versions 10, 11, 10, 12, and 10.1. Beyond that, it works seamlessly with desktops and other compatible devices, making it a versatile choice for anyone needing reliable extra storage. One customer shared how they upgraded from a 1 TB drive to this 2 TB model to back up important files. Though transferring data took several hours, the drive performed exactly as expected, dependable and straightforward. That reliability matters when you're safeguarding your digital life. Another user has been running this drive for over 4 years with no issues. Bought originally for gaming storage, it's still going strong, proving its durability and consistent performance over time. That kind of longevity is rare in external drives. If you want hassle-free storage expansion that just works, this external hard drive delivers. It's perfect for gamers, professionals, or anyone who needs extra space without complicated setup. Plus, its compatibility with USB 3.0 and 2.0 means you're covered across multiple devices. Worth a look if you want to keep your files safe and your workspace neat. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your storage with a trusted, easy-to-use solution that lasts. Ready to simplify your storage? This external hard drive offers dependable capacity, sleek design, and effortless setup. Add it to your setup today and experience storage that keeps pace with your needs.